Hello, friends. It is running kimono. So, a lot of us were anticipating and just kind of like wondering if the Ibotta free turkey dinner with all of the fixings and trimmings was coming back this year. And yes, it indeed has. So, this morning, the Ibotta app, and if you have not signed up for this app, sign up. Link in the notes. Use my referral code. You submit your first qualifying receipt, $10. No more excuses. Sign up today, especially for rebates such as this one. So it's like I think like just under 27 or $28 of free food. It's been for the last couple of years, and a turkey is part of it. But there was always been a catch with the turkey. The first year there wasn't, but after that there was always a catch. But we'll walk through this on how to do this. But I kind of thought it was going to happen because I saw all of the fixings for the free Ibotta turkey dinner started showing up at Walmart in side caps near the frozen food, including a huge display of turkeys. And I was like, oh, that's interesting. That's very interesting. Very quickly this morning. So obviously go to your Ibotta account and you will look in the front page and it'll say earn more with bonuses, and it's called the turkey bonus. All of the fine print is below that. Now I have to do 16 different unique rebates to qualify to get my free turkey. I have until the 18th. So I have a couple of weeks to make this happen. And once I do that, I can buy a turkey, I think it's by Butterball, and of course read the fine print, guys. And then I'll be able to buy that. And then once I buy the turkey, my understanding of this is they have the sides, which is like your stuffing, the cranberry sauce. Those will start popping up. Now, I have 16 because I'm not a huge Ibotta shopper. I do the odd thing here or there with Walgreens specifically, but I don't really go to Walmart and just start nailing these and doing boom, 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 boom. Because I don't know, I haven't been doing that since the beginning of the pandemic, and it's just kind of stuck where I haven't really been Walmart Ibotta shopping. I used to, but not anymore. So a lot of people have. I saw a friend of mine, Wanda, had like 32 offers, which is a lot more. 16 is manageable. I'm sure a lot of you that don't use Ibotta, you probably have even like maybe like less than that, maybe 8 or less. But you have to buy stuff to unlock the free turkey. So that is what I read how it goes. I believe last year how it worked was you needed a referral to unlock the turkey, and a lot of you were complaining. You're saying like that's not fair. So this is, I think, a lot more fair that you do some rebates to unlock this amazing turkey, and the price of turkey is like super expensive. Once your turkey is purchased, this guy should pop up, and if you go to your main page on your Ibotta account where it says earn more with bonuses, you got your turkey bonus, and then you have the locked sides bonus. So after the turkey has been unlocked, that's when these guys will start popping up. And again, go into your Ibotta account, the main page, the home page, read all the fine print. Just don't take my word at it. But some of the sides include the Jiffy corn muffin mix, the McCormick gravy mix, the Ocean Spray cranberry sauce. So it's all there. Read through the fine print. Obviously, you have to do a certain amount of rebates to unlock the turkey. The turkey, you unlock that, then you get to your sides. So it's more of a progressive one. It's obviously going to get you into Walmart a lot more. I think this is way more equal than saying you need to have a referral. And just to show you, I believe this is a photo from last year of all of the goodies. So missing from that list was the French onion, the little onions, the Frenchies onions, the Idaho potato mix, and the green beans and the Coke. So maybe those will get unlocked later. I don't know what else is included, but these products specifically is what I saw staged at Walmart. So I knew this Ibotta rebate was going to be taking place. So we have a good 3 weeks to work on this and to get your free Thanksgiving dinner. If you are a really big, avid Ibotta shopper, and even if some of this stuff just isn't your thing because you're vegan or, you just don't like this sort of stuff, you can give it to a family member, donate it to a food bank. Like, try and look at every angle on how, with food insecurities being so high that they are right now, how this can really bless somebody, or this would be really amazing to have your household pantry. How this will work, just to explain those that don't understand how Ibotta works, is that you'll do the rebates first. You'll unlock the turkey rebate, scan a turkey in the store if it's a qualifying one, and then you will purchase it. and then you'll get the full amount, or whatever the cap is for the turkey. Once that's unlocked, they say within 2 hours, your 2 or 3 freebies will show up, and then you'll go to the store, buy, the cranberry sauce, and then shortly thereafter, say it was like $1 for the cranberry sauce, you'll get the dollar back in your Ibotta account, essentially making it for free. And in the last couple years, the dinner has been like $20.27, as it says there, 9 free products. So I think this year it's $26 and some change. So we'll have to see what else is included, but how exciting is this? So definitely read the fine print. And if you're in a situation like me where it's a low amount of rebates to unlock this turkey, or maybe if you have like 5 or 8, by all means make it happen. Walmart, if you look at the Ibotta app, has the most amount of rebates to do. And as I don't really do a lot of rebates, I probably can get this thing unlocked pretty quickly to start looking what the different sides are. But definitely read all the fine print, guys, and good luck with this one. Free food is nothing to sneeze at, especially right now. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.